What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm ripping down the highway here, FDR Drive, almost upon South Ferry. I am heading to meet up with the cake dealer at an Austrian restaurant called SCHILLING. I've never had Austrian food before, as far as I know, aside from, you know, what's very similar to German food. So I'm looking forward to it. The menu looks fun. This place is down by the trade center, so I figured I'd take this route, a little more scenic, rather than going across annoying traffic by the bridges. You've seen me on this path before, this greenway that goes all the way down to, you know, the lower loop of Manhattan, Trade Center, Battery Park. I gave you a tour around here. So yeah, this place should be fun. I'm looking forward to it. It's a gloomy day, cloudy, but I don't think it's gonna rain. It's gonna be crowded over here. Yeah, I gotta jump out. I gotta get out of here. Fucking madness. I think it's right up this street. Is this? Oh, this is Greenwich. It's on Washington. I used to live on Greenwich. Down by, like, 2 streets below the Trade Center. I lived there from, I don't know, 2003 to 2005. When I was living there, that's when I met the cake dealer. We go back a long way, her and I. Yeah, there's the highway over there. All right, cool. All right. So this place should be just a little bit on the left, like 1 street over. Austrian food. I saw the menu has schnitzel. I'll probably get that. I love schnitzel. It's like a Milanese, or you know, like they would do for a chicken parm or something, pounded out flat, breaded and fried. Only it's not topped with cheese and sauce. This is a nice little ride, this Greenwich. Oh no, now it's church. Trinity Place. Yeah, I gotta take a left here. So this place invited me in. They contacted me on Instagram. I hadn't heard of the place before, so I don't really know what to expect, but it did look good. There's no steak on the menu, but I do like German food, and I'm assuming it's pretty similar. I'm gonna take this, my old building right here, this I Heart New York store. I used to live in that building. It's right near where my old apartment was. So I got to take a left here, and it should be on the left, I think. SCHILLING. All right, here we go. That's it, right there. I'm gonna just pull over here and park it. I'll see you guys on the inside. Cheers. Wow. Wow, Schilling. Blown away by that. Did not expect such amazing cuisine. We started off with veal meatballs and fried hen of the woods mushrooms. Both of them were incredible. The meatballs were kind of like, they reminded me of Swedish meatballs without the heavy cream, the cream-based sauce, which was nice. It was still a mushroom sauce, and it had like crispy shaved sunchokes, which are like mini artichokes. I think they're called Jerusalem artichokes. They're like a root. Very good. And then the fried hen of the woods mushrooms were awesome. I love mushrooms. I always say if there was ever a time where I couldn't eat meat, I'd be a mushroom man for sure. You know what? I'm gonna keep going up. And then we did a burger. They have a really good burger there. It's a hanger steak and brisket blend patty. A lot of good flavor. It's loosely packed, which I like. Well seasoned. A lot of flavor in that. And then we also got the pork schnitzel. That was awesome. It was huge. Pounded out flat, breaded, fried, really flavorful. Comes with like a trio of little toppings for it. One is like a cucumber yogurt. The other is like German style potato salad. And then there's like a lingonberry jam, which was really cool and unique. Good French fries came with the burger too. Homemade ketchup was really wild. It's like a horseradish, almost like a steak sauce. We also had some crispy Brussels sprouts on the side. And then for dessert, we did the apple strudel, which came with a little scoop of schlag, that less sweet version of whipped cream, and a scoop of really creamy vanilla ice cream. That was a great dessert, and they gave it to us with this this drink that they call the Royal Nussbaum, which is like a whiskey spiked hot chocolate. That was really fun too. So I really like this place. I will definitely be back. Check out JohnnyPrimeSteaks.com for the full review with all the pictures and all of my thoughts. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends and tell your fucking grandma.